हरे कृष्णा। इस वक्त हम लोग मौजूद हैं प्रयागराज में इस्कॉन कैंप में, जहां पर सनक सनातन दास महाराज जी हमारे साथ हैं और हम लोग इनसे बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि यहाँ की व्यवस्था क्या है, इस्कॉन क्या है, इस्कॉन यहाँ पे क्या भूमिका निभा रहा है। तो सबसे पहले तो आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और सबसे पहला सवाल मेरा यही रहेगा कि आप यहाँ पर यानी कि इस्कॉन यहाँ पर क्या भूमिका निभा रहा है महाकुंभ में।
Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada himself, he came here 2 times for the Purna Kumbh and Ara Kumbh in the 70s. So he's shown by his own example how important is the Kumbh Mela for our movement. So I'm personally here since 2001, here and in Haridwar and in Ujjain and also in Nasik. So we're running on all 4 places. So what we are doing basically, we are not necessarily coming here to take the bars only. We are also taking the bars, but we are coming here basically for distributing prasadam. Yesterday we distributed more than 1 lakh rupees spiritual meals. We are distributing Bhagavad Gita, so we do Vidya Dan. We have a go-down which almost 7 lakh Bhagavad Gitas we're having. And then we have a bolo cart, and every day we're going around and we're doing Harinam Sankirtan. This is our main activities here.
आप यहाँ पे 2001 से हैं, आपने 4 कुंभ तो देख लिए होंगे, कैसा फील हुआ, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आपका?
No, the main thing here is this is unique in the whole world. You will not find another place like that. So I'm always coming early already. I've been here already 6 months ago, 3 months ago. And there's only, first is a river, then there's a huge sand bank. And now we're sitting on top of a sand bank where normally essentially there is nothing. And we have a city here of millions of people who are all living here. And you see, I have a room, I have a light, I have a heater, I have a bathroom. So it is a very, very interesting house. So many people, and it is very peaceful.
सनातन को लेके क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सनातन को लेके आपके मन में क्या विचार है?
Sanatan. So you're looking at me and you're thinking you're seeing me. But actually, Sanatan Dharma means constitutional position, which cannot be changed. What does that mean? Inside this body, there is a soul, there is the Atma and Paramatma inside. And so that is a relationship. The Atma is eternal. The body is a Sharira, he's coming and he's going. The Atma is eternal. And the eternal position of the Atma is what? To be part and parcel of God and to serve God. This is what technically Sanatan Dharma means, is that you are a soul and you're serving the Supreme Soul.
आप वैसे कहाँ से हैं, कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं?
You see, this computer somewhere has some marks, so maybe we're finding somewhere, it's made in Germany somewhere, maybe printed.
लेकिन भारत कैसे आए?
Yes, very nice. I'm here since long time. And our spiritual master gives a description of India. You know an elephant, you know. We used to have an elephant. I had an elephant for quite some time. So an elephant is very costly. Okay? But interestingly, the value of the elephant is the same if the elephant dies. If I buy the elephant, it's 50,000 rupees. If he dies because he has a tusk, he is also worth 50,000 rupees. So India was a very strong Vedic culture. So right now, there's not much to find of that. Maybe in Kumbh Mela, yes, but when you go in Delhi, so it is still very valuable. And in India, people are very easily revived. In the West, to preach somebody, to give up bad habits is very, very difficult. In India, you give a little bit knowledge and immediately, they remember. This is what I should do.
आपने अमृत स्नान किया, हिंदी में बात करिएगा।
Snan, yesterday we took baths, yes.
कैसा लगा?
We have 2 Mahants in our camp also. We are also under the Nivani Ani Akara, so we are also part of the Akara system. So yesterday we took our bolo cart and we had the royal Sai Snan. Very nice. अच्छा है, ठीक है।
और यहाँ की व्यवस्था मैनेजमेंट कैसा है कुंभ का, महाकुंभ का?
Yeah, very nice. It is very impressive. Yesterday, the basing day was not so well managed as we had seen it in the past, but altogether you have a road, you have a light, you have a drainage, you have a water facility. Everything has been there. Very good.
थैंक यू हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए।